Hello, in this video I'll show you how to remove and replace the front headlights on Nissan Micra 12 generation. In order to remove the headlights, first we need to remove the front bumper. To remove the front bumper, first we need to remove the two wheels and the mudguards on both sides. To make space to remove the mudguard, we need to remove the two front wheels. Here now we can see the two bolts that hold the front bumper on one side, and on the other side it's exactly the same. Here are the two bolts that hold the front bumper on the other side. Next, we remove the bolts that hold the bumper on the bottom. Next, we remove a couple of clips that hold the front bumper on top. If the video is useful, give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel to see more videos like this. And now we can remove the front bumper. We can disconnect a couple of connectors if there is any, and we can remove the bumper. After the front bumper is removed, now we have access to the headlights. The headlights are held by three bolts, one there, one on the side and one on top. After we remove the three bolts, the headlight is loose, so then we can only disconnect the connectors for the bulbs and we take out the headlight. And then we do the same on the second headlight. Three bolts and one or two connectors, and that's it. Thank you for watching.